was mine till the time.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Smelly Tele. Today we're going to be learning how to play Neil Diamond's Solitary Man. This has got an acoustic guitar intro, which we'll cover at the beginning of this lesson, and then we're going to jump into the chords and kind of walk you through the verses and the chorus. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps me continue to make more guitar lessons for you. That's enough talking. Let's go play some guitar. So the way I play the intro to Solitary Man, I will use an E minor bar chord. I've also seen some folks who use the B string and the high E string to use this open ringing sound, but I like using the E minor chord, so that's how we're going to learn it today. You're going to need to put your whole chord shape onto the neck, so that's the bar with your first finger across the 7th fret from the A string down to the high E string. Then you take your 3rd finger, put it on the 9th fret of the D string. Your 4th finger will go on the 9th fret of the G string. Your 2nd finger will go on the 8th fret of the B string. And then the 7th note on the E string we've already got covered by the bar. And I'll just demonstrate it real quick for you, and then we'll break it down. It sounds like this. Okay, to play that, you're playing the 7th fret of the A string and the 8th fret of the B string simultaneously. Then play the 8th fret of the B string again. Then the 9th fret of the G string. Then play the 7th of the A again. Lift off your 2nd finger so that you're playing the 7th fret of the B string. You're going to play this note twice. Then you're going to play the 9th fret of the G string. And then the 7th fret on the A and the 9th fret on the D. Then play the 9th fret of your G. Then open E. Then you're going to drop down. You're going to hammer on the 2nd fret of the G string from the open note. So that was the open string G, hammering on the 2nd fret. Then the open B, open E. Then you're going to play an E chord. And then he throws in this 3rd fret on the high E string right before the words come in for the verse. Okay, let's take that all together. 2, 3, 4. And we're just landing on the E minor chord, the open E minor shape. Okay, so one more time. 2, 3, 4. And the strumming pattern I use for this song is sounds like this. And what that is, it's a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And play that a little bit slower. 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? And that just continues through the song. So to start off after the intro leg, we're going to land on that E minor chord. And you're going to throw in that little 3rd note on your high E string. And then that first verse is going to come around. So it's Melinda was A minor, mine till the G. Time that I E minor. Found her G, holding A minor, Jim, G, loving A minor, him, E minor, then Sue came up, A minor, long love me, G, strong, that's what, E minor, I thought, G, me and A minor, Sue, G, that died, A minor, 2, And let's pause here before the chorus, because the A minor right before the chorus is kind of interesting. He will go, me and Sue, that died too. And all I did there is, if I break down that A minor thing, it sounds like this. Me and Sue, but that died too. So I'll play the A minor open chord, and I'm going to hammer on the first fret of that B string to make the A minor, give it a couple strums. Then I'm going to pull off that first fret with my first finger, and then we'll finish out the chord with the open B string. And then we're into the chorus. G, don't know that I see, will but on G, till I can D, find me, sit on D, the girl who'll see, stay and won't G, play games B, D, find me, I'll be what I, A minor, or sorry, E minor, and to a D, a solitary, back to E minor, man, D, solitary, E minor, man. Okay, then we're into the second verse. Goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor. I've had it to A minor, B and G. Where love's a E minor, small order. G, a part-time thing. A minor, G. Paper, A minor, ring. E minor. I know it's been done. A minor to G. One who'll E minor, love me. G. Rider, A minor, G. Weak or A minor, strong. Then we got a G, don't know that I will see, but on G, I can D, find me. D, girl who'll see, G, to a D, back to the E minor, solitary man, D, E minor, D, E minor, then we're into that horn solo. A minor, E minor, to an A minor. Then we got a G, last chorus. Don't know that I see, will, but until G, I can D, find me. D, the girl who'll see, stay and won't play G, games behind me, D. I'll be what I am, E minor, D, E minor. D, E minor, D, E minor. The song's fading out now. Those are the chords for Solitary Man. Hey, thanks for watching the video today. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want more like the guitar tabs or practice tracks, head over to patreon.com. I've got those available for you there. We'll see you next time. Take care. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.